Hi, hello everyone. We are going to see how to fit regression models using classical and robust procedures using R. So just click R icon. Now I change the font size to visible. Let us take this font size as 14. Now you see, I think it's visible. So for regression, I already typed the script. So to open the script, just click File, the Open Script. It is there. I already typed the regression script. So I opened here. You see. Okay. So first, for regression model, I have load the data. The data file name is star.cog. This is available the package. You need to load that package. Load package. The package is named as robust base. It is there. Simply click that one. Okay. So the package is loaded. So this version R4.0 is the latest version released on October 10, 2020. So in that package, the star.cog data is available. So based in that, by using the data, we are going to fit the regression lines using the conventional procedure as well as the classical procedures. So first we need to attach the data. Okay. So simply Control R. You either press Control R or just to copy this one and paste it here. So if you want to clear this one, so Control paste. So the two variables are attached. One is log.light, log.te. There are two variables. This is nothing but the 47 stars that group. There are two variables. Whether the light intensity is depends on the temperature of the stars. So now to fit the regression line, the command is lm. The function name is lm. This is your y variable, response variable. Then predictor variable, you can give the predictor exactly log.te, or you can use dot. That means if you have more than one predictor, you can use the dot, or even one predictor you can use the dot, no problem. So the data is nothing but your star.cog. It's just this one. Control R. So it executed. Then the result is stored in the LMS variable. You see the intercept 6.79, then slope minus 0.41. You see the minus sign is there. So if you want, you can refer the entire summary for the result. So you see whether log TE is significant or not. So here 0.15, it is not significant like that. Since it's also the shows the minus 4, you see the p value and other r values, everything is there. So now you can plot the two variables using the command plot command. Using the command plot, you can plot the variable. You can plot it. You see, this is the plot. So now you see log T x-axis, this is in y-axis log light. You see the temperature, light intensity is depends on the temperature. You see here this is positive, like temperature increases, the light intensity also is increases actually. But here there are 4 stars are available in that upper left hand corner. So based on that, you see whether the correlation is positive. Actually, it's if you consider this one, your correlation is positive. If you include this one, then it gives the correlation may get affected, since the correlation is based on the mean and the standard deviation. The mean and standard deviations are very sensitive to outliers. So you consider these or are the far away from the rest of the points, so you consider it's an outlier. So now fit the regression line based on the predicted value. The AB line, the command is AB line. See, the fitter line is like this. So this is not a good fit, since the majority of the data points not covered by this line. So this is not a good fit. This line is using the principle of least square. So least square fit is there. Okay. So this is not a good fit. This is not a good fit for the given data. Why is not good fit? Because of these 4 outliers. Now let us see the robust regression. For the same problem, let us see the robust regression. LMS regression. LMS regression function is there. This is one kind of robust linear regression. Similarly, LTS regression is another kind of robust regression. You can use robust linear model using the various methods. You can fit a robust regression. So these kind of procedures are available to fit the robust regression. Let us see the first one, least median square regression. It is not available because we need to install the package. Already installed, you need to load the package. It is there in your MOS function, MOS package. You see here, MOS, click with MOS, so it is loaded. Now you this one, so it won't give any error. Then you see the result, it see mine before that in least square gives -4, -0.4, that's low, but your robust regression gives +4. You see similarly the intercept 6.79, you will see -12.1. What is the reason behind that? Since there are 4 outliers in the data. Now you see, fit the robust least median square regression in the same model. You see here, exactly, it covers maximum of the data points. It covers maximum of good data points it covers. So this is your robust regression, specifically least median square. The regression is called least median squares. This is least fitted square regression. Fitted square regression. Similarly, if you want to fit this LTS regression, LTS function is LTS regression, then you see that regression intercept and slope, then use the AB line to draw this one. So you see this is your least square regression. It's in the green straight line, right? So this is also fitted well when compared to LS. Then one more thing, the robust linear model. Using the robust linear model, I use the method method. So you see that regression coefficients are, this is intercept minus sign log t. Then again you fit the AB line. You see here, this blue color. So this is method, this is LTS, this is LMS, this is your LS. So in this way you can fit the regression lines, then you can verify whether the fitted is good or not by using the various measures are there. This is one kind of visualization. You can see the fitted regression models when compared to LS. All these are fitted well, because the main reason is the 4 points are far away from the rest of the point. You can predict using the command. For example, you can use using the command predictor. You can predict one X predictor variable is using the predictor variable. You can predict the response variable using the command predict command. For example, the predictor variable 5.23 the temperature. So what is the value of the light intensity? It is 4.63. Similarly, you can predict. This is this prediction is not good. Why? This is a least square, principle of least square. Since the principle of least square doesn't fit well, that's why this prediction is not good. So you can predict using the robust regression, LMS regression, the same data points, use the same data point. You see the prediction light intensity 8.16, but actually your classical says that 4.63. Reason is the classical doesn't fit well for the given data, since the data contains the extreme points. Similarly, you can find the fitted value of using LTS regression. So this is also the result around 8.53. So likewise, you can check and validate the various measures are available for validation also, R square and the relative standard error. Many errors are available, many measures are available. You can check that one. So you see, this is the data fitted data for the model, for the data star COG data. The data set is available in the robust ways. You can use the data set and verify whether the data is outlier or not, then whether the data is given fitted or. So based on that, you can try to learn how to fit the regression models using the various procedures. Thank you.